We are in the season of enlargement. Those who hope in the Lord shall renew their strength. They will be mount up with wings like eagles. They will run, they will not be weary. They will walk, they will not be faint.